Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
MPP for Atro and Krata Akwakoma John Dramani Mahama. Na nsemo a MPP for Eka won Krata we mu NSA. Mahama won accept defeat. Won accept say 2020 elections no we lose. Won accept say court na ye call no we lose. Na the entire MPP one more can be say me reading Krata ni be atremo. Now I will explain matters to you so that we all know what is going on. Now Samoba Kaya 2013 election petition after 8 months are results no. President Akufo-Addo Babontin Beka said, well, he disagrees with the decision from the Supreme Court. That time 5-4. Now, Waka said he disagrees now, so he can't do anything about it. And until we accept a year defeat, what Babontin Beka said, no. Proud to this particular thing, Nkrofo Bebre, especially NDC4, now I can state, say, Kelvin Taylor, what by year broadcast, and our car say, Mahama nim because na Nkrofo NDC4 Bebre na nim said that be adi seni akoi ruling nebeba no Mahama belusu. Kevin Taylor beka se Mahama wo nim na wakwa accept defeat a ende ono Mahama na obehu eja wo no Kevin Taylor beto ama no na enye ono kwa ne kasa asem no Nkrofo Bebre na ekatre Mahama se Supreme Court the ruling neba mo be accept defeat. Enti Supreme Court the ruling neba na nya ntie se Mahama bekasa that day na 5 p.m. About 5, yante Mahama nka. About 6, ena chese Mahama wabaye. Na Mahama baye no eno beka sa ye kan bebre. Eka se precedence na. And you see all the things Mahama said. Media Martina platform we swakanda. Eye ne krenso. Say Jimensa yama namba no. It will set the precedence a enye emma oman Ghana. Iti nini nemu na Nkrofo hwe nim se John Dramani Mahama beka so okay. Ya court melusu. Sisi ade ma accept defeat. Now Mahama wankasa ono de wokan say Supreme Court judges no and the way anye ye and the ruling no say anko ye say ono de wokan assembly no koye. Nti anu na Nkrofo sha say hey Mahama na just ade na show pound because still person oba accept defeat. Nti na me no so na MPP for Atron Krata wo mo de Mahama say e wo say Mahama wa accept defeat. I don't know. Omu feel say Mahama wa accept defeat a ebia ebetumi anam so ma NDC fo bi omu de edi boni bi o se bibio I don't know but MPP for Atron Krata no yenko reading Krata no emmamo na in Krata no nipa kwa ne nsa ehya ase eye MPP for wo mo general secretary a friend no Mr. John Boadu yenko reading na ne kwani nyamenim after elections na say Mr. John Boadu meten nka ache say after election petition or afiansa wababonti ababekasa nsema wodi tu dwane o say MPP calls on John Dramani Mahama to demonstrate statesmanship and accept the verdict of the Supreme Court on the 2020 election petition. Into the all can say MPP for a catcher say Mahama entre say wo your mind bapa na sebe results na abano he should accept it verdict no or accept it. So the MPP is calling on the NDC's 2020 presidential candidate, John Dramani Mahama, to accept the verdict of the Supreme Court on the 2020 election petition as a mark of statesmanship and fidelity to the rule of law, even if he disagrees with the judgment. After 2 months of hearing the petition filed by John Mahama challenging the validity of the declaration of the results of the 2020 general elections, the nation's apex court on tax day, March 4, 2021, delivered its final judgment dismissing the petition as lacking merit. Following the lucid judgment of the Supreme Court, many had expected the petitioner, John Mahama, to emulate the good examples of the petitioner in 2012 election petition, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, who, even though disagreed with the judgment of the Supreme Court at the time, accepted the decision and congratulated the then president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in the interest of the nation. For the avoidance of doubt, these were the exact words of the then petitioner, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. Immediately after the Supreme Court ruling on August 29, 2013, despite the fact that at least 4 out of the 9 justices of the Supreme Court ruled in his favor, Asama Nana Addo Kaini was say, I have called President John Dramani Mahama and I congratulated him on being elected the 4th president of our country. The Supreme Court of our nation has spoken, and the result of the December 2012 presidential election has been confirmed as having been won by the candidate of the NDC, President Mahama. As I said earlier, whilst I disagree with the court's decision, I accept it. In someone, Akufo-Addo wakan in 2013 no ose wo frɛ Mahama etre ne say we disagree with Supreme Court no nanso we congratulate Mahama. I say I accept that what the court said brings finality to the election dispute. We shall not be asking for a review of the verdict, so we can all move on in the interest of our nation. I am saddened by the verdict, and I know that many of our supporters are saddened too. However, for the sake and love of our country, we must embark on a path that builds rather than destroys to deal with our disappointment. It is same President Akufo-Addo walk on that time no enuni. Your trial letter so I will say this singular act of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo did not only reaffirm his long-standing fidelity to the rule of law as a consummate Democrat and to his country and citizens, but also earned him and the country international accolades and plaudits. Not just say MPP4 episode say Nana Addo 2013 sa de na wo ye no emma oman bia hu say Ghana sebe kebi ma min kebi no moti asie ye asem a o kani was say as indicated, many had expected John Dramani Mahama to take advantage of similar situation on March 4th to prove his commitment to democratic tenets, but that never happened, unfortunately. Instead, John Mahama will rather hold a press conference to unleash invectives and unprovoked attacks on the judiciary and the election management body, much to the chagrin of democratic observers and the generality of Ghanaian people. The gravamen of his attacks on these two important state institutions was that the Supreme Court has shielded the chairperson of the commission from testifying in court. Now, someone MPP4 air can say, "Wamususu say, dear Akufo-Addo ya obi abo na baso no na Mahama nso be seize opportunity na waye bi." Now so dabi Mahama mom ebe use opportunity no e kaseti Agyeman Mensah sanso kaseti a judiciary ne say, "Wamu shield Agyeman Mensah from testifying." You see, you can argue as much as you want. You can say okay, dear Mahama ayeni, but ni krene nyame anim me dear me maka. And so if I am sounding really biased in this particular matter, I have stated my point already. Me dear maka me say Agyeman Mensah ya manam testify no me assume you up to now me ya because yesusu say nanka wo say wo to me be kasa no wo tre ye nsem mu. Inti Mahama susu say judiciary den shield no. And it is not only Mahama who has said that. A lot of people have said that because it was very easy for the me adewe say madam for bia asema wakan madam for bia asema wakan ni o say sisi a Supreme Court na atre no ade ba ko sa election petition na atre na ade ba ko wo yasemu ama ne hu say court enye no kre ene epe wo court na court de yepe eye nipa kra obetumi ama na asema yede asema madam for ne kan no na me ka say dentia me bisan say dentia na o ka say na o tretre mu but say nanka ye no kan yepe wo court nanka for the interest of the country nanka Supreme Court beka say okay Agyeman Mensah wo de brana beka sa na Ghana phone na yenya abotoye mu because position na wo hold no a very delicate position. Once people get that perception say we are corrupt asa wan hwe ye betumi de ntokwa kraba inti nanka court na wo so modwen sa ade no ba court andwen wa ka say nipa ko no wo power be testify na natural say the court is not after the truth, because if you are after the truth you not say that as someone say madam for no wo kan no. And a lot of people sided with that particular analogy. Inti Mahama so ne sema obekan no, or can say the Supreme Court shielded Agyeman Mensah, and it looked that way. But MPP4 asama omo can say, sa asem na Mahama ekan no, attacks unprovoked. Wo attack the judiciary and the electoral commission. Ini kwan say na ke so Mahama sa. As John Mahama alleges inter ally that the Supreme Court did not give him justice, and that the court aided the EC chairperson to avoid explaining to the good people of Ghana from her own testimony under oath in a properly constituted court of law the errors she herself admits to have committed in the declaration of the 2020 presidential election results. Also, whatever the reasons for not allowing Ms. Jean Mensah to testify or answer any question, it leaves an embarrassing stain not only on our judicial delivery system but also on the nation's electoral system. The Supreme Court has given its verdict, but the national debate on the dismal state of our democracy and the increasing weakness of its institution has only just begun. It is time we all come together to confront those who seek to destroy the very democratic system that brought them into office. It is our patriotic duty to do so. In same John Dramani Mahama eka no MPP for letter no ewa. Na nini nemu no mesremo montre mo adwen ewo comment box ni mo. In same MPP for no eka no wo hwa eno no ana just the usual politics. Me dey me so say they are well in their right to say so because Mahama accepted no o tena okra o beka say papa one accepted na dey say ebufo wom what will he be planning into the other one no into for one time on your comment box ni mo me da say